Alright, so first open Discord app on your device. Once you're in, tap on the server icon from the list where the person was banned. Now I'm on my server's dashboard. From here, simply tap on your server name at the top. A menu will pop up. Now, select Settings on the right. Once you're in Server Settings, scroll all the way down until you see the bans option. Tap on it. Now you'll see a list of everyone who has been banned from your server. If you have a long list, you can use the search bar at the top to find a specific user. Once you find the person you want to unban, tap the arrow next to their name, then select Unban. And that's it. Now, if you go back to your bans list, you'll see that the person is no longer banned. That means you can send them a new invite, and they'll be able to rejoin your server. And that's how you unban someone on Discord mobile. Super simple, right? If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.